C. Let's begin at the front of our mat with Sun Salutation A. Starting in mountain pose, feet are grounded firmly and evenly, pressing down to the heels and ball mounts of the toes, sweeping the arms to the sides, opening the heart as we roll the tailbone under, pulling the belly in, lengthening through the crown of the head. Take a few deep breaths here. Sweeping the arms overhead, deep breath. Exhale into forward bend, swan dive, flat back. Hands to the shins or to the floor, halfway up. Exhale down. Fingertips to the floor as we bend the knees, walk your feet back into plank pose. Let's come into half plank or half chaturanga, down to the floor, onto the belly. Roll the shoulders back, pressing the tops of the feet into the earth, and inhaling into baby cobra. Exhale down. Inhale up to your knees, curling the toes under, moving into downward dog. Let's lengthen through the arms, spreading those fingers, grounding through the ball mounts of the hands, rolling the shoulders away from each other as we roll the armpits in towards each other. Slight bend of the knees if you need to, pressing down through the inner heels. Taking a few deep breaths here. Exhale, feet forward, coming into forward bend, halfway up. Exhale down, sweeping the arms out as we lift up to the sky. Hands to the heart. Let's repeat. Surya Namaskar A. Inhale up. Exhale, forward bend. Halfway up. Exhale down. Walk feet back into plank pose. This time we'll go into full plank, coming into a full chaturanga. And then you can either come all the way to the floor into a full cobra or into an up dog. Exhale into downward dog. Again, resting for a few breaths. Lengthening through the spine, grounding through the heels. Go ahead and walk those feet forward, coming into forward bend, halfway up. Exhale down, sweeping the arms out, taking a deep breath up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Surya Namaskar C. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Halfway up. Back to the earth. Sliding the left leg back. Dropping the back knee into lower lunge. Relax the back toe. Sweep the arms up. Exhale, forward bend. All the way down. Slide that leg back, coming into plank pose or half plank. Down to the earth. Slide forward into cobra or up dog. Exhale into downward dog. Let's slide that left leg forward this time, dropping the right knee, relaxing the back toe, sweeping the arms up. Exhale, hands back to the earth. Let's bring that leg all the way forward this time. Halfway, all the way down, halfway up. Exhale down. Sweeping the arms out, taking a deep breath up. Back to mountain pose. Once again, Surya Namaskar C, but this time we'll bring the right leg back. Inhale up. Exhale, forward bend. halfway up, exhale down. Right leg back, dropping the back knee, relaxing the back toe, sweeping the arms overhead. Exhale, hands back to the earth. Slide the leg back into plank pose, bringing the body forward on the toes, down to the earth, and then up into cobra or up dog. Exhale into downward dog. Spreading the hands, grounding them firmly, taking a few deep breaths. Right leg forward to the hands, dropping the back knee, sweeping the arms up as we take a deep breath. Exhale, hands to the earth. Curl the back toe under and come into forward bend. Halfway up, exhale down, sweeping the arms out, taking a deep breath up. And hands to the heart. Surya, Namaskar, B. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, chair pose. Inhale, forward. Exhale, down. Halfway up. Back to the earth. Go ahead and walk the left foot back. Drop the back heel to the earth. And we're going to come into warrior one. Sweeping the arms overhead. Hips are squared forward. Moving the right hip back, left hip forward. Reaching for the sky. Knee over ankle. Taking a few deep breaths. Exhale, hands back to the earth. Sliding the right foot back into plank pose. Exhale, forward on the toes, down to the earth, up into up dog. Exhale, down dog. Resting for a few breaths. Let's bring that left leg forward, dropping the back heel, moving into warrior one, dropping through the hips, reaching the left hip back, right hip forward. Exhale, arms back to the earth. Slide the leg back, coming back into your plank pose. Back into chaturanga, four-limb staff pose, up into up dog. Exhale into down dog. And then you're welcome to jump or walk your feet forward. Hands to the shins or floor halfway up. Exhale down. Inhale into chair pose. Inhale up. Exhale to mountain. Namaste.